so it's time to install the Delkevic. Okay, the first step is to connect or to install the tubes. The first thing we're gonna do, the Delkevic came with two gaskets, so that goes into the header pipes. So we'll install these two headers, these two gaskets with the sealant over here. So you can see here the two header pipes, the two header holes, if you want to call them. So what we're gonna do with this cloth first is to clean them a little bit. Let's make sure you remove all the dirt. See, some dirt out of it, from the screws. Okay, make sure it's clean. Okay, now the next step, of course, is to place these gaskets in here. All right, now we're gonna use this sealant over here. It came up also with the pipe, with the exhaust, and these are the gaskets. So see if it works. So we're gonna take a piece of some. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put it around here somewhere. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so be careful, Pepe. What are you doing? Thank you. I have my helper, and then we're gonna put some also in the gasket here. Okay. There you go. Okay. So now let's place it inside. There. See if it stuck in there. Yes, that's great. Fantastic. There you go. Now, let's take some. In some videos they say you don't need it, but since he came out with it, just place it. And if it doesn't work, we'll disinstall and disinstall those things. But I mean, if we have them, let's place them right. Okay. Let's take the other gasket and do the same thing. Just take some gasket sealant there and just place it in there. Opa, sorry. Okay. All right. Okay. And let's put it in there. Okay, fantastic. Okay, great. So we have the first step of the installation done.